So everyone, sorry, one, two, three, two. So hello everyone, I'm Kapil Sharma, and today I'm going to talk about something good thing. Usually my videos so useless and no one watching them. This video also not gonna watch fully. So I'm going to talk about the book. This I'm read. Last year I had read this, and it took me some 1.5 months to complete this book. And this book is first of all, the name is The Power of the Subconscious Mind. And this book was written by Joseph Murphy. So let's talk about it. And this very book to read if you want to change your mind, or if you literally it will change your life if you use it, or the if you just practice the tips written in the book, it will change your life, your mindset, or your overall your lifestyle about how you are living now. And so this book basically talk about our subconscious mind. Now what is the subconscious mind? Our brain has the two type of what you can say, the mind. First of all, the conscious mind, and the second is subconscious mind. And nowadays the youth are didn't use anything. They are just in the like middle line. They didn't use the consciousness, they didn't use the subconsciousness, they are something elsewhere. I'm not all right. So what was the consciousness? That the work I'm doing, I'm fully invested in it, so I will do that work 100% with my 100% mind, with no thoughts. This is the consciousness. And the second, what the function of the subconscious mind, it is the brain. This brain use the vital function of the like body, like the pumping of the heart, I'm taking the breath, my eyes blinking constantly, and subconsciously I like from studying a video, I'm shaking my hands to. This is the subconsciousness. I don't know the part, and I didn't control the parts of my body which is functioning, which is controlled by the subconscious mind written in this book. So this, like, I'm highly recommended you to read the book. And like this, so first of the point is why you should read the book. If I know many of people didn't like to read the book, or like if you not like use if you don't like to read the book, you can also take his summary online, which is available on the Kuku FM or on many social medias. So this talk about our mind and healing ancient time techniques, that how our subconscious mind will literally heal you any disease. Like there are so many examples in the stories about the people that they didn't take any medicine to cure their disease. Even they just use their subconscious mind, and just they heal automatically. This is the power of the subconscious mind. And you can use for the, like, there are so many techniques explained in this book. Like this, the wonder of sleep. If our our subconscious mind is most active at the night when we are in the sleeping states, and when we are dreaming. So when you go in the sleep, so this is a highly activated, our mind is highly activated in that time. So you can use like on one your subconscious mind in the wonder of the sleeps. And there are so many techniques. You can use the subconscious mind for your happiness, for the harmony and the peace of your family, and you can get whatever you want to result. And if you just practice this book for the 8 months, or at least I will recommend you to use the technique at least for the month, if you want the small changes in your life. So I will like this, at least this work for me. And for many people, you can take the reviews on the Google or on many websites. This is very good book if you want to read. And like this book is some have different language if you start, so you used to it. If you read the 2 or 3 chapter of it, you will get to used to it. Like I don't like to read the book, so when I started, this is very difficult for me to understand this language. But after some time, like I use the Google translation for this. And I have I had write the so many alternate words, easy words, and some, you can say, some Hindi meanings of it, you can see it. And but after then I didn't use anything. It just I get used to it. Like I get used to it after this. And thing is that if you don't have time to full read the chapter, in every ending of the chapter there is a summary of whole the chapter. Like the brief summary, you can see the brief summary of the ideas worth remembering. ये मतलब काफ़ी अच्छी बुक है अगर पढ़ना चाहो तो। वैसे तुम नहीं पढ़ोगे, मुझे पता है, मैंने पढ़ी है, तो मेरी भी इच्छा नहीं होती है पढ़ने की, लेकिन मेरे को कुछ नया सीखना था, इसलिए मैंने पढ़ लिया। तुम तो रिले पलटा ऊपर बैठे बैठे। ये हाईलाइट्स भी दी हुई है, रिव्यूज़ ऑफ द हाईलाइट्स, जिन जिन लोगों ने पढ़कर उन्होंने जो मतलब इनके जो रिव्यूज़ दिए उनको उन्होंने कैसे यूज़ किया वो भी दिए हुए। अगर आप पढ़ना चाहो तो काफ़ी अच्छी बुक है, मतलब आप ऐसा नहीं बोलो कि टाइम वेस्ट हो गया। अगर इसकी टेक्निक्स को आप अपने जो रोज़ाना जो लाइफ है उसमें अगर यूज़ करोगे तो। ये मैंने और भी बुक्स पढ़ रखी है, अगर मैं चाहता हूँ कि मैं जो मतलब शेयर करूँ उसको। और अगर एक और मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ, ये अभी ये वाली पढ़ रहा हूँ मैं, ये थिंक स्टेट, ये भी काफ़ी है तो मैं आज ही पढ़ लूँगा। इसमें कुछ 180 to 85 पेजेस है, ये मैंने 50 पेजेस पढ़ लिए, अभी पढ़ लूँगा थोड़ी देर में। अगर ये इसका रिव्यू चाहिए, ये काफ़ी मतलब इजी टू रीड है, अगर इसका रिव्यू चाहिए मेरे को बता देना, आई विल एक्सप्लेन दिस। और ये तो काफ़ी सस्ते भी है। सो दिस इज़ वॉट फॉर टुडे एंड दिस इज़ नॉट फॉर एवरी वन, दिस नॉट like this video is not for everyone, many of you people will skip this and I don't। 3 व्यू आ जाए बड़ी बात है। थैंक यू सो मच। अगर आपके पास कोई ऐसी और बुक्स है माइंड से रिलेटेड या फिलोसॉफी से रिलेटेड, मेरे को कमेंट कर देना। और थैंक यू सो मच।